Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by searching Google Scholar with the exact title or DOI, type quotes for precise matches, and add the author to narrow results. Once results appear, scan the right-hand column for PDF links or all versions to find free copies. If a direct version is missing, click Cited By to trace related works that may include accessible drafts. Make sure to use the year filter and sort options to reduce noise and surface likely open access versions quickly. Once you find the record, verify your institutional access. Log in through your university or library proxy to unlock paywalled PDFs. If that fails, email the corresponding author politely requesting a copy. Authors commonly send drafts. Meanwhile, search preprint servers and institutional repositories for accepted manuscripts and use academic networks where authors upload versions. Make sure to compare version types, preprint versus final, so you understand differences in formatting and peer review status before using the material for work. To complete access, submit an interlibrary loan (IL) request through your library. This legally obtains a copy and often takes a few days. If you hit obstacles, consult a librarian who can leverage institutional subscriptions or suggest equivalent sources. Once you receive the paper, check references and follow up works for broader context. If nothing is available quickly, pivot to recent review articles or open datasets covering the topic. Troubleshooting tip: if a PDF link is dead, refresh cache and search accepted manuscript or contact the author directly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.